Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Void AI. In order to do so, you want to head over to voideditor.com. And what is Void AI all about? Well, it's the open source AI code editor. Void is an open source cursor alternative. Write code with your best AI tools, use any model, and retain full control over your data. And you can come here to download the beta, or you can go get that from GitHub as well. The AI features you love. Press tab to auto complete. Edit your selection inline, agent mode, gather mode, and normal chat. It's powered by VS Code. It's a fork of VS Code. We let you transfer all your themes, keybinds, and settings in one click. Any LLM anywhere. Void doesn't send your messages through a private backend like Cursor or Windsurf. Cut out the middleman and connect directly. You can use private LLMs, frontier LLMs, the latest features, checkpoints for LLM changes, lint error detection, native tool use, fast apply even on 1,000-line files, agent mode, and MCP. And you can join the community here if you have more questions, if you want to be a part of the community there. And again, if you are interested in getting started with Void, you can come here and you can download the beta. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.